You're listening. You hear it now.
This isn't right. This is where we were last time.
Yes. Probably the most important.
This isn't where we're trying to go, but on here, we have to go down. Just go straight. We found the rope swing is just a stick hanging by a log.
We're not even, let's like a branch.
That's my luck with rope swings.
So you were originally supposed to be swinging like a normal swing, with the background of San Francisco.
Hey guys! Hello! So, we're making a vlog. My dad's laughing at us. But we're in San Francisco, and this is my replacement of my birthday party. We just went to a little rope swing, and
It was a log.
we're on the move. We parked in the city, so people are watching me. But we're gonna go to the pier.
Literally. I love how you're saying that, but no one actually
Well, maybe
is.
people are, I don't know. They're probably just not looking at me because they think I'm crazy.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go to the pier and take pictures. Yeah. Okay, these are supposed to be left-handed scissors. But you could just flip the scissors over, and they're right-handed. Now they're left-handed.
Is it something to do with like how the blade's positioned?
I don't know. Maybe.
I don't know.
Yeah, whenever you step on one.
Really?
Yeah. So we're on the way. We just start over. We just went to Pier 39 and tried to find a certain tea shop that we went to a while ago that had a really cute dog in it. And if I find the picture, I'll put it in here.
It's probably dead though, because it was pretty old last time I saw it.
But now we are walking to a Philz Coffee that's 20 minutes away by walking. And because we want to be like our icon, Emma, get an iced almond milk latte.
Can I have an iced almond milk latte?
I'm just ready to see all the other impersonators in there, like just to see if we're the only ones who do this or not.
Person ever. I gave directions because we walked over there and we had to walk back, and then we walked over here, we had to walk back, we went over there, we had to walk back, and then I realized we were going the right way the whole time. It's so stupid, I can't give directions. Hi, can I please get one iced almond milk latte?
So we'll go to Philz. We don't do any lattes here. Everything is over coffees, no espressos, no cappuccinos, nothing like that.
Oh.
If you're looking for like an almond milk latte, I would suggest maybe a Tesora or filter salt, depending on if you like something more hazelnutty or something more caramel.
Okay, I'll try a filtered soul. Iced? Yeah.
Ice? Do you want a small size?
I'll get a large.
And I know you want almond milk. Do you want any sugar?
Yes please.
Yeah, how sweet? Light, medium, sweet?
Medium?
Medium sweet? Okay. And then anything for you guys?
Oh, there. As you know, we went to Philz, and I tried to order an iced almond milk latte, like Emma does, and the lady said that they don't have that there. She's been lying to us. She's a scam.
I know, what the heck?
Unsubscribe.
Like, we need. Wait, what if this actually becomes like super popular because everyone like realizes how much of a liar she is? They don't even sell lattes there.
I mean, we love her, but it's a scam.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get hate in the comments.
Literally, the only people who are gonna watch this are like our friends.
Yeah, our friends, so no need. But instead I got a, what was it called? Philharmonic or something like that. I don't know what I got. I think I have it in the video, but I got this, and then Maddie got
I got an iced almond milk coffee, sweetened.
Yes. But
Which is
really
close
good.
enough. It kind of tastes the same.
Yeah, but it's really good, so no complaints. Yeah.
I'm like sticking to my face. It kind of sounds like an upset stomach or something. That's cool. It doesn't sound like organs, but it sounds cool.
Update time!
San Francisco's Golden Gate, what a beautiful bridge you are. Thousands cross the Golden Gate every day as they travel from near and far.
So we just went to Fort Point and I didn't vlog anything.
The group of activists that fought to remove the city's Confederate statues.
Nathan Bedford Forrest,
Oh yeah.
a true Southern gentleman.
But now we're
Sawyer
heading
and Miller
home.
at the
So
same park, same
super
pedestal,
fun trip.
but not together.
And
Sawyer helped organize, drown, and a
half
second
of this is
monument
probably
to
me
Confederate
laughing.
President.
I'm saying,
I don't say like that much. That was good.
Valleys,
That's good.
I have to pee and
I have to poo.
yeah.
But I also have to.
So Target entrance ever.
Wait.
1 out of 10.
Really, I'd give it like a 4. But the girl next to me was like really mad because apparently someone peed on the toilet seat.
On the back of the
Yeah.
seat. She's like, Jesus, people need to learn how to aim. And then her friend was like, what was her name? Like, she's like, Michelle,
Her name?
we're
You read her
girls.
name?
Yeah. She said her name.
I didn't hear that.
She's like, Michelle, we're all girls. Like, we're girls, we don't aim. She's like, exactly. Anyways, I'll probably just end it right here. So, thanks for watching. Bye. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's even cooler. Whoa.
It is. It's flaring out now.
Gosh.
This is like an act of God.
Or wait, what is that? What building is that? That's the one that's sinking.
That's the newest one.
Here at the end runway. Don't clip any people.
Yeah, it's like the light and then it's like reflecting. It's so cool. This is magical. Wow.
Now it's tomorrow, man. It's crazy how the day was gone. We know time ain't real, but it's amazing how we change. Sometimes I think I better spend the night. I left Donna at your house. Won't you hold her tight?
Coming for your brand, Haley Pham.
I know Chick-Fil-A is like my thing practically every day. I go to Chick-Fil-A and it's so addicting.
Wait, what commercial has the, oh yeah. Kool-Aid Man?
I don't know.
Well, I think this shit just started pins. I think I'm on the fence. Think I'm
To the violence in Charlottesville in August.
Bye.
lacking confidence. I'm lacking common sense. Think about what my mama said. Said I need better friends. Think about when we was kids. Will we remember this?
So dope.